getting this news report of clashes being reported between police and BJP workers in Nettayam in Kerala after tensions that escalated from an earlier dispute that is said to be from the BJP and from the left workers. Now, this issue reportedly began when a BJP worker filed a complaint accusing someone of behaving indecently in public, and the BJP leaders alleged that the woman's husband, who is reportedly a BJP worker, was stopped by locals and the left workers, and his vehicle was blocked. And even though the police reached the spot, the situation became tense, and the BJP workers accused the police of siding with the left workers. And soon there were reports of stone pelting, and a police officer reportedly was also injured in these clashes. Now, these are, as far as these clashes that are now concerned, where the police also had to resort to the usage of lathi charge to disperse the crowd. But this seems to be the clashes that has now been reported from Nettayam in Kerala, of these clashes that previously were reported between the left and the BJP, and thereafter between the BJP workers and part of the police there as well, where the BJP workers were of the opinion that the police were not conducting in a fair and free manner as far as the investigation is concerned. So this is a case, an issue that reportedly began when a BJP worker filed a complaint accusing someone of behaving indecently in public. And BJP leaders alleged that the woman's husband, who was also a BJP worker, was stopped by the locals and the left people, and his vehicle was also blocked. So this seems to be the clashes that has now been reported in Nettayam in Kerala. We'll get you more on that back after a short break.